TCN Smart Fridge Weight Sensing Vending Machine. Part 1. Replenishment. Restocking is as easy as filling your freezer. Part 2. Products on the back end. Insert the USB and import the product library with one click. Then put the corresponding products on the corresponding aisles. Very easy to operate. Part 3. Shopping process. 1. Select to open the door, left door. 2. Swipe card, Nayax. 3. Take the goods at will. The gravity module accurately senses changes in the goods, and AI calculates them in real time. 4. Automatic settlement after closing the door. 1. Select to open the door, right door. 2. Swipe card, Nayax. 3. Take the goods at will. 4. Automatic settlement after closing the door. The shopping process is as smooth as chocolate, just grab and go. Part 4. Machine highlights. 24 hours unattended, low operating costs. 1000 L large capacity, and the maximum selling weight is 400 kilograms. Vegetables, fruits, eggs, seafood, meat, specialty products, pastries, etc. can be sold. It is easy to build your chain of unmanned supermarkets.